Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a pick set that my brother had. This is one that came with one of the plastic see-through locks that you could see what you're picking so you get the feel of it. And this is the set that it came with. As you can see here with the quick user's guide. Let me go ahead and pull that out and we'll go through all the picks that it comes with. Zoom in a little bit here. So, in the quick user's guide, this is how it refers to all of these picks. This here is the rake pick 1, shallow half diamond. This is the rake pick 2, key extractor, steep half diamond, double ball, rake pick 3, rake pick 4, hook pick 1, rake pick 5, hook pick 2, and hook pick 3. It comes with Y wrench, wrench 2, and wrench 1. And it also comes with this lovely faux case as well. Now, as you can see from this, I've used it a little bit, trying to check out the quality of this. And I did find this online for approximately $12 from eBay with the lock. And I've got to say, folks, if this is all you can afford, in my personal opinion, I would say save your money. Save your money and buy a Sparrow's Tuxedo kit. Or buy something else Sparrows sells that is rather cheap, maybe twice as much as this set here is. It might have fewer picks, but the quality is going to be there. The quality is going to be there, and that's really what this is all about. It's about having the proper tools to do the proper job. I just wanted to share this pick set with you guys because I found it in my brother's things, and I felt that it was important that he got recognized for having this. So, any questions or any comments whatsoever, please leave them below. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.